Unity. These may be exemplary qualities in all societies. Human beings to live among individuals. Says, the film you are about to watch is with examples. The Middle East. It is not easy to survive in this hot, barren land. Tiny creatures known as Arab birds manage, however, to survive in these difficult conditions. Because they display amazing solidarity and cooperation among themselves, they do everything together. As they dry fast, clean each other. This is very important for their health. They look after one another, not getting tired or fed up. Work is divided between them. Finding food for their existence is a job to do. The food they found is shared equally. The defense is also shared out equally. Every bird takes its turn to stand guard in the top. The time changing of the guard, new sky brings a quantity of bird he is in place. This vital importance. The scent of bird sounds their protection. Also try to disturb the snake and destroy it. Young birds their strength and courage by challenging the snake and try to earn respect within the flock. Danger if returns to normal. A sentry assumes his begin to play amongst themselves. How was it that these birds came? Let us continue to ask questions. The animals you are watching possess no consciousness. Why should an animal stand guard over its friends? We expect it to fly off and find something to eat. But what it actually does, great sacrifice. It's guard like a soldier, seriously and determinedly, eating nothing. Creatures about altruism. Tells them to endanger their own lives for the sake of their friends. Can be questioned is the God, Creator, who instilled these feelings of unity, cooperation, and sacrifice into these tiny birds. As we are told in Surah 16 in the Quran, God inspires the requisite behavior in animals to keep them alive. Feelings of sacrifice and cooperation among birds are very powerful. And mutual assistance are another miracle of these birds live in 30-40 members. Unity and togetherness is very powerful within the group. They raise them together with the greatest care. This example of solidarity within the group comes when there is a danger. That danger. One of the watchers is the raven and warns the others. The group takes their stations and the defense force comes together. One of the birds angrily threatens the intruder. The threat is then translated into action. They kill the intruder en masse. By the counter, the raven withdraws. The fighters move in with all their might and bring the enemy down. The raven survives the attack with great difficulty. Communication, mutual assistance, have saved their chicks.